Hey, good morning. So, welcome to your last and final week of class. Actually, it is finals week. So, if you've gotten this far in the course, 160, section 3241, you can congratulate yourself. Congratulations, you've made it this far. So, this is finals week. You should have completed by tonight the chapter 25 journal prompts right there. I can see it. And then the final exam opens up on the 11th. Okay, so on the 11th, that would be Wednesday at 7 a.m., you are allowed to start taking the final, and you have until July 14th at 11:59 to complete it. It is a 180 minutes open test. So it's open book. That means you can utilize any information that you can find to answer those questions. There's a couple of essay, maybe 2 or 3 essay questions. They're not long essays. There's more like journals, and the images are provided for you. And then you have an unlimited amount of times to take the test, and each time you take it's 180 minutes, open time basically. So you don't have to spend the 180 minutes. It's just how long you have to take it. And it keeps your high score. So I think you guys should do great on this, considering if you've done all your homework and you've done all your journals. I think it should be easy. Okay. So this is the final culmination of this course that you've completed, a 16-week course, all done in 10 weeks. Pretty darn good, if you ask me. And I wanted to take the time to thank you and to tell you what a pleasure it's been to read the things that you have written, and to share with you things that are interesting in the art world now, from the past, and upcoming. So if there's anything I would wish for you, it would be that you have taken the things that you've learned in this course, and maybe it has opened up your mind and your eyes to the world around you in a way that you hadn't seen before. That might be hoping for way too much, or it might have just been rudimentary and you maybe already knew all these things. So I never know when dealing with people online exactly where we're at in terms of experience. So just irregardless, art appreciation is meant just to help you have a better understanding of art and to appreciate the things that you see and be able to speak and write about them in a way that you hadn't before. So hopefully we've accomplished that. So I will look forward to grading your finals and putting in your grades. And I hope that you have a good rest of the semester, and maybe we'll see you around Modesto Junior College or online at some point again. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys, and have a great summer. Bye.